Looking to create a standout cover letter in Google Docs? This guide will show you how to make a professional cover letter template in 5 easy steps for free. First, log into your Google account, or create one if you don't have one yet. Next, go to the Google Docs homepage and click Template Gallery in the upper right-hand corner. Then, scroll down to the Letters section and select a template that fits your style. Next, personalize the template by adding your information, adjusting fonts, and editing the content. Finally, download your finished cover letter as a Word doc, PDF, or text file to submit with your application. Using a cover letter template can give your document a professional look. To help your cover letter stand out even more, follow these 4 tips. Expand on the skills and qualifications listed on your resume. Address potential concerns like employment gaps. Show your enthusiasm for the role and highlight why you're a strong fit. Showcase your unique personality and experience. Want more help? Visit Resume Now to try out our AI cover letter builder to craft a standout cover letter in minutes. And access additional tips and tools to help you prepare a job application that gets you the interview.